Hello, little friends. Are you ready to meet some amazing farm animals today? Let's learn their names together. Look, here comes a big, friendly cow. Cow. Guy. And who is this? It's a playful goat. Goat. Buckety. Next we have a clucking hen. Hen. Murgi. Wow, a majestic horse. Horse. Ghoda. Here's a happy pig. Pig. Suar. Look at the fluffy sheep. Sheep. Bhid. Quack quack, it's a cute duck. Duck. Batakh. And our loyal friend, the dog. Dog. Kutta. You did great learning all the farm animals. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Kids Learning World. Hello, little friends. Welcome to Kids Learning World. Let's learn about amazing animals today. Look, it's a lion. Lion. Sher. Next, an elephant. Elephant. Hathi. Here comes a dog. Dog. Kutta. And a cute cat. Cat. Billy. See the cow. Cow. Guy. A playful monkey. Monkey. Bandar. A strong horse. Horse. Ghoda. A hopping rabbit. Rabbit. Khargosh. A big tiger. Tiger. Bagh. A tall giraffe. 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 A striped zebra. 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 And a cuddly bear. Bear. Bhalu. Wow, we met so many animals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Kids Learning World for more fun.